The world of transportation is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of this revolution. AI is making our journeys safer, faster, and more efficient. From self-driving cars to smart traffic lights, AI is transforming how we move. AI is like a smart assistant for transportation. It can analyze data, learn from patterns, and make decisions. This technology is making it possible to optimize routes, reduce congestion, and improve safety. The future of travel is here, and it's powered by AI. In this essay, we'll explore the exciting ways AI is revolutionizing the transportation industry. Get ready for a smoother, smarter, and more connected travel experience. One of the most significant impacts of AI in transportation is the development of self-driving vehicles. Imagine a world where cars can navigate roads and transport passengers without human intervention. This vision is rapidly becoming a reality thanks to AI. Self-driving cars rely on sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings. They can analyze road conditions and detect obstacles, making them potentially safer. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are at the forefront of this technology. AI is not just transforming individual vehicles, but also revolutionizing entire transportation systems. Cities around the world are implementing AI-powered traffic management solutions to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve safety. Smart traffic lights equipped with AI algorithms can analyze real-time traffic patterns and adjust signal timings accordingly. This dynamic approach to traffic management can significantly reduce wait times at intersections and improve overall traffic flow. Furthermore, AI can be used to predict and manage traffic congestion. By analyzing historical traffic data, weather conditions, and other relevant factors, AI algorithms can anticipate traffic jams and suggest alternative routes to drivers. This proactive approach to traffic management can help commuters avoid delays and make their journeys more efficient. Section 4. Enhancing travel experiences with AI-powered personalization. Beyond improving safety and efficiency, AI is also enhancing the overall travel experience through personalization. AI-powered travel platforms can analyze your preferences, past travel history, and real-time data to provide you with tailored recommendations and customized itineraries. Imagine planning a trip and having an AI travel assistant that suggests the best flights, hotels, and